Hello and welcome to Adjungo. My name is Christina and I'm very happy to welcome you today to our first Expert Talk. Today we will be talking about the current job requirements in the automotive industry. We will explain how you as international professionals or graduates can stand out with your application. The expert joining us today has over 20 years of experience in various technical leadership positions at a German OEM. Thank you very much for joining us today, Lutz Morich.
Thank you, Christina, for inviting me. I'm happy to be here. During the past 5 years, we've seen a huge change in the automotive industry. In the past, we've seen classical car development dominated by mechanical and electrical engineering. During the last years, software has become more important. Like this car stands as a symbol for this development, we see today more software and function on wheels than a classical car. And this has also a big influence of the way of working within this industry. We come from a classical way of engineering, and we now see more and more software development processes which are coming together with classical engineering processes. This has an impact on the people working there. We have two cultures. We have the classical culture of car engineering being dominated by engineers with their electrical or mechanical engineering skills, working together with software engineers coming from software engineering processes which are different. They have all advantages. There's some advantage in the classical way of doing things, but these two have to merge together. And this is a huge cultural change. The culture of the classical engineering and also the culture of the new software engineering. What does that mean for candidates coming from abroad? There are now two cultural challenges. The first one is when you come from abroad, you have to adapt to the German culture. It is language, it is feeling, it is laughing, it is thinking, which is different in Germany. You have to adapt to it, you have to learn the language, and you have to try to understand. Additionally, you have a second cultural challenge that you are facing. It is the culture of classical car development, because you come with your good software skills, your good functional development skills, but you have to understand the mechanical engineers, the electrical engineers work together and build a symbiosis of your different disciplines. Therefore, it is important really to adapt to this culture, to the benefit of yourself, to the benefit of the companies you're working for, but also for the products and services that you are developing.